Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a smooth and professional keyframes cut out transitions in InShot. This is a really fun effect you can use to make your edits stand out on TikToks, Reels or YouTube Shorts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then just import the clips that you want to use like this, and then just shorten its clips so that they are only about 1.5 seconds long like this. This will make the transition snappy and quick, because if your clips are too long, the transitions won't feel as smooth, so definitely just keep them short. Next, just freeze the first frames of your clips like this, and then adjust the durations to 1.5 seconds again like this. And next, just go to cut out this one. Go to cut. Just use the cut out tool to separate your subjects from the background. This one, just tap on it like this. And now it's time for the fun part. Just adding 4 keyframes like this. And then at the first keyframes, just hide the cut out so it starts invisible like this. And then on the second keyframes, just scale the cut out up, just making it larger like this. Like this. And then on the third keyframes, just scale it down smaller again. Like this. So this back and forth scalings will create the popping transitions effects like this. Like this. Next, between each keyframes, don't forget to add graph or ease. This step is super important because it makes the animations look smooth and professional. So between first keyframes and second keyframes, I will add ease, and then I will choose this one like this. And then between second and third keyframes, I will add this graph. And then between third and fourth keyframes, I will add this one. Like this. Next, just repeat the exact same process for each clips in your sequence. Like this. Once you're done with all the clips, just add check transitions at the end like this. Just choose check this one like this, and then just apply to all clips by tap on this one. And last, let's play the video. Like this, and that's it. You just made a clean keyframes cut out transitions in InShot. Just play around with the timing, scaling, and easing to make it your own. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.